Strange RV tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fix your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on the air.
Hey guys, it's Janet. Here we are in Pahrump. Get this, we're at Desert Cane Distillery, and they make their own rum. So, Greg's already inside, and I'm gonna go in and join them. We're waiting for one of the owners so we can do a tasting. Your name's Tom, right?
Yes.
Tom
Dahlman.
Dahlman. Is it okay for us to record you?
Yeah,
Awesome. All right. Here's my husband, Greg. I'm Janet. We're in Pahrump. We're at Desert Cane Distillery, and these folks, it's Debbie and Tom actually, that got this all started, right?
Yep.
So you've actually grown your own cane for this, right?
We do. We've been growing cane for almost 10 years, actually.
Wow. In 2017, you guys really opened up here, or?
No, we've only been open since October 17th.
Oh, okay. Wow. You distill in your back room?
Yes.
Wow. Can we walk back there?
Sure, let's take a little trip.
You wanna That'd be great. Isn't this a neat place? Isn't it cozy? I love it. I love it. Okay, here. We'll follow you. All right, way to go.
So we're doing the sugarcane rum is an annual offering in November that comes out because I harvest before the second week of November.
Mm-hmm.
And we go in it. Cane is very time sensitive, so once it's cut, it has to be processed in 72 hours.
Wow, that is
So it
quick.
either has to go into fermentation or it's going to go bad.
Right. So this is what you've got in here now?
No, this time of year we're doing, this is our raw sugar here. These are piloncillos, which is cane juice, boiled down until it gets kind of doughy. And then they pour those into these molds. But this is as raw as you can get. This is the closest thing to cane sugar you can get. It's not centrifuged. There's no lime added or anything like that. So it's as close as you can get.
Wow. How large are your vats here?
These are 53 gallons.
Wow. And this would actually turn into...
What will happen here is the yeast will eat the sugar, and that produces CO2 and alcohol, and a little bit of heat too. This one here is cooling down.
Oh, neat,
Also,
neat.
Gives off a little bit of heat. Then we take this and we'll transfer it into the other room, into the still,
Uh-huh. Okay.
and start distilling.
Okay.
And this is also a 53-gallon boiler.
Wow.
There's two separate boiling points for alcohol and water, so the alcohol is going to come off first. So
Yeah.
that starts at about 173 degrees. And we'll start collecting until the first part of the cut is going to be your heads, which we discard, and then comes your hearts. And that's about between 150 proof and down to 100.
Whoa.
And it's an average because everything changes. This is a pot still, so it's we usually take an average over that amount of time. And then I collect that, and it usually comes out around 130, something like that.
130? Wow.
And then that gets processed, bumped down into to a drinkable proof.
Now,
Yeah.
Are your rums going to be available through distributors in the future, or what do
In
you
the future, yeah, we're just getting rocking here. My inventory is, I'm just trying to keep up with inventory right now out of here. So, yeah, in the the future we have plans for scaling up to a distributor.
Yeah.
Okay, I see 6 varieties here.
Yes.
So, what's that?
This is spiced. Our spiced rum. This is the agricole. Now this is from our sugarcane juice. So in November we squeeze the cane and ferment the juice, and from that wash goes into the still. And this is the offering, the annual offering right here of agricole.
Right. Well, November, you squeeze that one and process that one. I see the spice. That's like, is that like a Captain Morgan's type
Only
thing?
better.
Yeah, I'm sure. And then the crystal.
Crystal is our white rum. So
Okay,
that's just
clear-
rested
right.
for a couple weeks, and we don't process this any further.
Now dark rum.
Dark rum, what we have here, this is the oak amber. This is wood rested, and that is the base for the dark. And so there's a little bit extra that goes on with the dark rum, but this is the base. So it's still like real whiskey tasting notes in these two.
Wow. And then you have the toasted coconut. Yeah, I'm a coconut fan. Everybody here that just left, I was listening to them talk, and they said, don't even try Bacardi ever again, because once you have this, you'll
No,
never.
It's a completely different rum. This is
Yeah,
a Jamaican style.
Yeah.
So this is what we call a heavy rum.
Yeah.
So
Right.
the Bacardi's a lighter rum, which is more in a vodka family.
Okay.
So it's almost a neutral spirit.
Right. So, okay, so you sell your bottles at $28?
And the agricole is 33.
Okay. And then here's your mixed drinks. Mojito, Mai Tais, Dark and Stormy, the Anita, Apple Cinnamon Cindy, Pina Colada, Rum and Coke.
And there's also the specials up there.
yeah.
There's specials in the
Pomegranate. Oh, yeah. Pahrump Punch and Pink Mojito. How cool. That's really neat. So a nice mix of drinks. That's great. So, you want to try some?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, how do you guys normally run
I
your...
think what you guys should do is I think you should try the agricole, which is from our crop, and then the crystal, and that is from the Palencia, if he has it around here, with this right here. Which you can see the ingredients, it's just cane sugar.
You're
It's
right.
just compressed.
Yeah, right.
So see the difference between these are fresh, because when we squeeze it, if we ferment it within 24 hours, because if you don't, the sugar quality goes down in the cane and everything else.
Wow.
So I'd like to do this like a taste test.
Sure.
All right?
Yeah.
And some people like the crystal, and some people like the agricole better, but there's different, it both being rum, it's a completely different flavor. All right, so this is the crystal. This is the one from the Palencios, which when you're opening a business, they say that you have to have a backup plan. Like, what happens if you don't have no crop that year? What are you gonna do? So we have the Palencios, which gets us by because our crop only gives us maybe half a year of product right now. Hopefully, would you hang on? I want to put the other one down here. So this is the crystal on that side.
Yeah, that's... Okay.
This will be the agricole from our. You saw the picture of the sugar cane up there.
I took a picture of your picture.
Definitely did. I just took a bunch of pictures in this place. You could get them blown up for $16. I go, now that's the way to go. And this is the stuff from ours. And then you can. Do we even have any spice now?
Yeah.
Oh yay! The spice is probably our biggest seller, for some reason.
Okay.
Okay, so
This
that's
is
the crystal.
the crystal.
That's from the Palencia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you smell it? Smell this one. And smell the
Oh
other
yeah.
one. What a huge difference.
Isn't that insane?
Yeah, this is
Oh
like...
yeah.
This is like really, really like... More like chemically like stronger.
It smells more like a whiskey.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And the
it
other
has
does.
more alcohol content or smells more strong or something. But it's just because it's the way that sugar's processed, because there is nothing more in there but just compressed sugar cane. Probably just the process of the cane makes a difference.
That's good.
It's 84 proof too. I didn't know if you let you know. It's 84 proof.
Okay.
It comes out of the still, but did you tell me how it came out of the still at 130 and all that?
Yeah.
But we knocked it down to 84.
Yeah.
This is the agricole.
Yeah. What? Yeah, there's a big difference. That's
Wow.
That's good.
Yeah.
But isn't that funny? Because it's both sugar cane, just processed different. That's why,
Yeah.
because it's fresh. It even tastes
Right,
fresh.
right.
You know?
This with the crystal, I get the stronger smell, but I get more of an afterburn from the
that.
agricole, which I actually like. That was nice.
It's
very good.
A lot better.
I'm gonna put some
I-
pretzels out there. We can kind of in between the taste.
They're both good, but the agricole is totally
Yeah.
different.
So they're both about 84 proof?
They're all 84 proof.
Okay.
Now this is a spiced rum, and you see if you can pick out the flavors that are in here, and if you get
Okay.
all of them, you get 3 bottles of spiced rum.
You know me, I want to be lucky to get one. Water.
His daughter's a chef, and she got all about how many? About like 2?
Except for one.
I think 1 or 2. Yeah, it was insane.
Mm.
It smells good, doesn't it?
We love those chefy noises.
Wow.
And the flavor
It's a
really
mix.
comes up afterwards. You get the pow, then you get the kind of flavor that lingers.
So is there clove?
Yes.
I was thinking clove, but I
She's
couldn't
got
think of
one.
the word. I was like, what's the
got
word?
one.
What's the word?
What's that? Anise?
Yes. Wow, and people usually don't pick up that one.
And what about cayenne?
No?
No,
That
it's
would be
got
good over there. No, there's no
a
cayenne.
little. I think it's the alcohol that bites.
Yeah,
a little bit.
probably.
It's really cinnamon in it.
Yes, there's cinnamon.
Trying to think pepper. But
Nope.
no. There's something that's giving it a little bit more.
I think
How about mint?
Nope.
There's something that gives me a little bit.
I haven't tasted the new batch. And everyone tastes kind of the same, but since we handcraft, it might be a little bit strong on one than the other, but
Is
That was
what
delicious.
Fennel or caraway? I don't know.
Nope.
No.
you like it?
Oh yeah.
I'm amazed I didn't pick that up. That's my favorite spice. I love love
Oh,
ginger.
you would love our dark and stormy. It's ginger beer with dark rum. This is our dark rum.
Yeah. It's the.
That's this one right here, and that dark rum is actually just more of, well, people usually use, most people that use rum will put molasses. We actually use cane syrup to kind of keep the thing going.
Doesn't
So,
that smell good?
Yeah, it is. It smells delicious.
Taste
And there's oak. This was oak aged, wasn't it, or oak barreled? Yeah.
well, it has oak in it. I'll give you the regular oak, because the aged oak here, the oak amber, everybody says it's, I don't know, because I'm not a big whiskey drinker, but they say this is for a rum. It's really close to whiskey.
Wow.
It's special to blend.
Because it's wooded.
It's
Look
amazing.
at that. That's the amber. So
That's the
It's delicious.
So I don't know, but that's because of the oak makes the whiskey flavor.
yeah, you get that. Do you?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Yeah.
And the last but not least we have
Don't
here,
answer yet.
don't go home yet. We have a lime and coconut, which are really good in our pina coladas.
Right.
And also just if you have a limeade, simply limeade, it's really good in that. One thing good about rum is it's just a really good mixer. It mixes well with anything. There you go, and that's the lime and the coconut.
Coconut. So,
Yeah. Clear.
oh, you can smell the coconut.
Yeah, we just cut some limes up. I roast coconut and put it in a bag with that and just let it sit for 3 or 4 days and it comes out. And then
That's
I hand
good.
it back to him at 110 and then he filters it and knocks it down to 84. But isn't that a nice taste?
Oh
That's
yeah.
a nice
It
summer.
is.
Yeah.
I want to try that dark and stormy.
Good choice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Not.
I can,
Doesn't that look good?
He'll sit back with his friends and just drink it on ice.
That's dark rum, gingered beer, and a fresh squeezed lime.
There's half a lime in it.
And then,
If you like
That's called the
ginger,
dark
you're
and stormy.
see, that used to be my Barbie little knives.
Right?
Right.
And we have the little umbrellas with all the
Oh, that's
on
good.
for the-
That's good.
Yeah. Like that.
You like it? Oh,
Oh, it's
good.
delicious. Delicious. I love limes, so limes
Oh,
and
yeah.
ginger is
There's almost
perfect.
limes in every one of our drinks.
There you
So
go.
most of them have limes.
Look at that. You like that?
That's delicious.
And
I've never had a drink like that. That's awesome.
amazing. It's amazing.
Isn't
That's
it?
so refreshing.
It
Yeah,
is.
I think it's a great
It
summer
is.
drink.
Yeah. Well, this was awesome, awesome stuff. See, look at that label. Isn't that neat? This is the dark rum. I like chug a look. No. Anyway, guys, if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you could, please. Hit the little bell for notifications and share with your family and friends. And if you want to see our Patreon, there's lots going on there too. Hey, thanks for watching.
So what'd you think, girl?
Oh, so good. And Debbie and Tom are just great people. And they've only been open since October. I'm amazed. You know, and you guys were on a road trip from Vegas or something, come out and see them.